Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset Outlook password if you forget it. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. So if you want to reset our password on Outlook, I would recommend you to go into the browser instead of the app. So what we're going to do here is to just search for Outlook and then click on enter. After that, just click the first link. And then in this part, what we're going to do next is to click on sign in. Now, once you're here, what we're going to do next is to click on can't access your account. So once you do that, we're going to click on a personal account or just choose the account that you're having problem with. So I'm just going to click on a personal account right here. And then what we're going to do is to put our email. So just put your email right here. And then after you do that, just click on next. And then of course, you'll have to verify your identity. So just click on our email address right here and then click on a get code. And then just put your code right here. After that, click on next. And then in this part, you'll just have to, of course, put your password and then click on next once again. And then after you do that, just click on sign in right here and then use your updated password that you changed. So click on sign in right here once again and then just put your email and then click on next and then just put your password right here. And as you can see right here, we are now logged in into our account. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.